when I started with them, my credit score, and it wasn't the best, it was in the 500s. I had 35 negative accounts, which I just got done telling them about I wasn't proud of. 32 are negatives. And the process here is, for me it was in 3 steps. Is the first time they send out letters to all the people you owe money to. They get back to you, and then what Vivix does for you is they fight for you, and they fought for me. So they took off the 32. Eventually, of the 32 negative accounts after the first time, 17, which was freaking awesome, 17 fell off the first time, and then I believe I dropped off to like 10 or 11 were left the second time, and then by the third time I had 5 negatives. But of those 5 that were left on my account, 3 were still good, so there was only 2 negatives, and the two that were negatives were going to fall off like in October of last year. My credit scores, I believe, are somewhere in the 700s, and everybody on my credit report is excellent. There's no more negatives. They don't harass you. Nobody bothers you. Vivix just basically, and it's like their promotion is they fight for you. So you have someone to fight for you. They make your score better.